Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix Epic Games error code ls0005. To start, right-click on Start and open the terminal as administrator. Click Yes to access. First, run the command ipconfig/flushdns. Press Enter. Now reset the WinSock catalog. Run netch winsock reset. Press Enter. To apply these changes, we are going to restart the system. When you access Windows again, in the search box enter Network. Open Network Reset. You will click on the button Reset Now and then confirm by clicking Yes. You can close the information window. Again, restart the system to correct this Epic Games error. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.